Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on both devices and putting the receiver into discoverable or pairing mode. This creates the visible handshake that the radios need. Once done, make sure you are within about 10 meters and disable any conflicting modes like a phone hotspot. You should see the other device name appear. Tap it to initiate pairing. If asked, confirm a numeric code to verify identity. This immediate action creates a secure link so you can move on to file transfer. Once paired, open the app or file manager containing what you want to send, choose Share and pick Bluetooth as the method. Then select the paired device from the list. This directs the file to the correct receiver. You'll see a progress indicator and possibly a request on the receiving device to accept or decline. Accept it to start. If the file is large, compressing it or splitting into smaller chunks speeds things up and reduces the chance of drop transfers. After sending, wait for the transfer completion message and then verify the file on the receiving device. Check that it opens and is in the expected folder. If something goes wrong, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then repair the devices. Many transient faults clear this way. Persistent failures often stem from storage permissions, battery saver restrictions, or radio interference, so make sure the receiver has right permission and sufficient space. One key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.